What if one sunscreen could protect your skin and the planet without a single harsh chemical? First things first, measure and prep your ingredients so everything is ready to go to melt and mix. We'll talk about the benefits and properties of each ingredient in just a moment. Carrot seed oil is loaded with beta carotene and vitamin A, perfect for calming sensitive skin and boosting your skin's natural defenses. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, giving it natural antimicrobial benefits while nourishing dry, sensitive skin. Beef tallow is packed with skin loving fats and vitamins A, D, E, and K to deeply nourish and support youthful, healthy skin. I use a local beeswax which makes the sunscreen water resistant and supports skin renewal with natural vitamin A. Now that I've prepped all the ingredients that need to be melted, I use a makeshift double boiler, just a large pot with a smaller one inside. Since selling at the farmer's market, I've since upgraded to a proper double boiler, but in the beginning, it's all about getting creative with what you have. While the oils and wax are melting, set aside the zinc oxide and take this time to prep your jars. You don't have to make a batch this big. Feel free to scale the recipe based on how much you want. This one makes about 10 2-ounce jars. While the oils and wax are still hot, I add ylang ylang essential oil. It's known for its calming floral scent and skin-loving properties, helping to balance oil production and soothe irritation. Feel free to add in your favorite essential oils at this point. I always give it a good sniff to make sure I'm on track. Stir all of the melted ingredients together thoroughly, then gently add in the non-nano zinc oxide. This mineral is what gives the sunscreen its SPF, reflecting UV rays instead of absorbing them. It's important to only use non-nano particles so that they stay on the skin's surface, making it safer for your body and preventing absorption. You'll notice the mixture starts to solidify quickly, so it's important to pour it as fast as you can. Once your pot starts getting low, you'll likely need to stir to keep the texture smooth. As the jars cool and begin to solidify, give them a stir every so often because the oils can separate and rise to the surface. Once the sunscreen is fully set, this won't be an issue anymore. And if you're interested in trying this sunscreen without the mess of making it yourself, you can purchase it directly from my website, holisticstaples.com. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in more DIY recipes and healthy alternatives to everyday products, be sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like or leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and reflects my personal experience making and using natural skincare products. While I use gentle, skin-friendly ingredients, everyone's skin is different. So always perform a patch test before applying any new product to larger areas. This content is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any medical conditions and should not replace advice from a licensed healthcare provider or dermatologist. If you have allergies, sensitive skin, or underlying skin concerns, please consult a medical professional before use.